Hi, I welcome you all to learn about how to place an implant. For this example, we are working in the lower left quadrant and making a full thickness incision mid-crestally using a 15 number blade, and now reflecting the tissue using a periosteal elevator. Before beginning drilling, ensure that you reflect the tissue. We are using a lance drill or a pilot drill to make the initial osteotomy. And then we sequentially enlarge our drills to avoid overheating. Another very important thing to note here is to have copious irrigation to avoid overheating. Planning of the depth and the diameter of the implant should be done prior to beginning the process. Only in certain cases it can be optimized during the process. At any point of time, we can stop the osteotomy and check the drilling angulation using a paralleling pin, as has been demonstrated here. The final osteotomy can be seen here. The implant placement is now seen in the area of the 4-7. Once the implant has been placed, the cover screw can be placed on top of the implant to prevent epithelial migration inside the implant. The area is then sutured using 3-knot black braided silk sutures in this example. For this example, we are using simple interrupted sutures. Watertight closure should be aimed. 3 months to 6 months of a gap should be left between stage 1 and stage 2. 3 months for the lower arch ideally, and 4 to 6 months for the upper arch ideally. To learn more about suturing, you can refer to these videos, and for more such videos, please like, share and subscribe.